Welcome to the Chase Bank tutorial for beginners. A comprehensive guide to help you get started with managing your finances effectively. To begin, let's define what Chase Bank is. A leading financial institution that offers a wide range of banking services and products. Step 1. Opening an account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or in person at a local branch. You will need to provide basic personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can fund it with an initial deposit. Next, let's explore the different types of accounts offered by Chase Bank, including checking and savings accounts. A checking account is ideal for everyday transactions, while a savings account is designed for long-term savings. You can also consider other options, such as money market accounts or certificates of deposit. Now, let's talk about online banking, a convenient way to manage your accounts from anywhere. To get started, simply visit the Chase Bank website and enroll in online banking. You will need to create a username and password, and then you can access your accounts, view statements, and pay bills. Mobile banking is another way to manage your finances on the go. Download the Chase Bank mobile app, and you can deposit checks, transfer funds, and track your account activity. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of low balances or suspicious activity. In addition to online and mobile banking, Chase Bank offers a range of services, including bill pay, wire transfers, and account transfers. You can also use your debit or credit card to make purchases and earn rewards. To get the most out of your Chase Bank account, it's essential to practice good financial habits, such as budgeting, saving, and investing. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, and take advantage of rewards programs and other benefits. Finally, let's talk about security, a top priority for Chase Bank. To protect your accounts, always use strong passwords, keep your contact information up to date, and monitor your account activity regularly. You can also set up two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. In conclusion, Chase Bank offers a wide range of services and products to help you manage your finances effectively. By following these steps and practicing good financial habits, you can get the most out of your account and achieve your financial goals. Remember to stay informed, stay secure, and always seek help when you need it.